Tonight we are going to retire Progress Lodge number 22's Old Glory. This flag has been standing proud and true over our lodge for more than 25 years. It has seen many business meetings, degrees, and like our beloved lodge, it has witnessed all the lodge's trials and successes. But before proceeding with the retirement of our faithful flag, we cannot allow our lodge to be without representation of our nation's colors. Please post the new colors. This citation reads, "This is to certify that the accompanying flag was flown over the United States Capitol on December 13th, 2021, at the request of the Honorable Michael S. Lee, United States Senator. This request was made for Progress Lodge number 22 in honor of the 102nd anniversary of the institution of Progress Lodge under dispensation. Signed, Michael S. Lee, Senator, Utah, and J. Brett Blanton, architect of the Capitol. Progress Lodge was granted dispensation to begin the process of completing the requirements to obtain a charter in the jurisdiction of the Grand Lodge of Utah on December 13, 1919. Charter was granted on the 27th day of April in the year of our Lord, 1920. Brethren, let us officially initiate this flag into our lodge. Please join me in offering its first Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Color Guard, present the lodge flag for retirement. Please observe two of our lodge veterans performing our flag's final fold. And now they will unfold the flag in preparation for a toast to the flag and then the flag's final retirement. Toast to the Flag by John J. Daly. Here's to the red of it. There's not a thread of it, no, nor a shred of it, in all the spread of it, from foot to head. But heroes bled for it, faced steel and lead for it, precious blood shed for it, bathing it red. Here's to the white of it. Thrilled by the sight of it, who knows the right of it, but feels the might of it, through day and night. Womanhood's care for it, made manhood dare for it, purity's prayer for it, keeps it so white. Here's to the blue of it, the beauteous hue of it, heavenly hue of it, star-spangled dew of it, constant and true. Diadems gleam for it, states stand supreme for it, liberty's beam for it, brightens the blue. Here's to the whole of it, stars, stripes, and pole of it, body and soul of it, oh, and the roll of it, sun shining through. Hearts in accord for it, swear by the sword for it, thanking the Lord for it, red, white, and blue. Remember, as you look at the flag, that it is the symbol of our nation. It is red because of the human sacrifice, blue because of the true blue loyalty of its defenders, and white to symbolize liberty, the land of the free. The stars are symbols of the united efforts and hope in the hearts of the many people striving to keep America great. The 13 stripes stand for the 13 original colonies: Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, North Carolina, and Rhode Island. The white stands for purity. The red stands for courage. Give me liberty or give me death. One if by land, two if by sea. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessing of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. They are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights. Among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech or press. Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth upon this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. The right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state because they are female. Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. This concludes our flag retirement ceremony. Thank you, and may God bless America.